Baratza Forte AP, commercial durability and advanced functionality. The Forte AP is a powerful all-purpose grinder, offering exceptional cup quality for both home and professional settings, with the unique ability to grind both by weight and by time. Built with professional flat ceramic burrs, the Forte AP provides an excellent grind for espresso and brewed coffee alike. Operate the Forte using touchscreen controls. Switch between time and weight-based operation with ease. Select your grind time to within the tenth of a second. Save your setting to one of 3 customizable presets in each mode for future use. Adjust your grind with precision using 10 macro steps, each with 26 micro steps of adjustment. Use the included heavy-duty portafilter holder to grind by time directly into a portafilter. The Forte can be calibrated with ease using the included tool. A simple twist sets the grind range exactly where you need it. Cleaning the burrs is simple, using the included burr removal tool. Use the shutoff hopper to quickly switch coffees. Forte AP, cafe quality espresso at home. Baratza, we grind, you brew.